Now that's base gasket removed, 154 duration, AF intake. I'm now going to take it to about 164 duration, total duration. It's not getting enough air in it, but that's going a lot better. Now with this thing here, when you're tuning it, normally you will move your screwdriver a little bit for, like, say 2 or 3 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes to adjust it. The way this thing is now, 1 minute of change on the mixture screw would go from 12,800 to 13,800. So it's just like a nice knife edge when you're tuning it. It's really weird, but it's not powerful, but there is chance of more power. Now this is an old saw. The mixture screws don't line up with the hole in this part here. It's not bent just the way it was designed. It should be higher up just there. So it's a weird saw, but this is an antique for a Chinese made saw. So they do go well, they do still pull after all the years. But anyway, it's enough of my rant. Thanks for watching.